Alan and Michelle from Travel Bug TV. Just a quick update on where we've been. Apologies first for no videos for the last couple of days. I've been a little bit under the weather. It's nothing to do with the easy SP that we're on. It's quite simply got a bit of a virus, that's all. So Michelle's going to do a bit of the talking tonight. She likes talking anyhow. I know. So what am I cooking tonight, Michelle?
We're doing curried lentils with ginger, and we're going to have an omelette, and we're going to have...
I'm going to do a soup,
a vegetable soup.
For the next couple of days.
So that'll do us over the next couple of days.
And that'll actually take us to, what day we're on now, Tuesday, that'll be Wednesday, that'll take us to Thursday for the weigh-in. So we're just going to hope on Thursday that it's been worth it. And if it isn't, I'm going to blame the amoxicillin that I'm on. It's the amoxicillin that's took me over, I promise you. Okay, so, right, so this video's going to be, excuse me, this video's going to be more with captions than there is with talking.
Correct.
For obvious reasons. I think you're probably all pleased with that anyhow. I know Michelle is.
Yeah.
Not very nice then, is it? Right, okay. You out of the way so you don't get the dreaded lurgy. Okay. And I'll flip you round and I'll show you what we're cooking. Okay? Well, there we go. It's going to be a silent movie with some captions on this one because I couldn't speak. I know you're all cheering and clapping and hooting and these brass bands are coming through, these flags waving. Well, anyhow, so that's the way it goes. There's going to be captions on this one. Yeah, I'd say so. I really enjoyed it, I'll be honest with you. It was really nice. Served with a nice plain omelette, which I thought was cool. What do you reckon? You're the one that matters.
Right, okay, my opinion is that this is the best meal this week so far. Absolutely brilliant. I was going to say fantastic. Absolutely. The lentil and ginger, the curried lentil and ginger was absolutely brilliant. Of my fabulous husband here, who's a wonderful cook. But no, absolutely brilliant.
There's a first of my fabulous husband now.
And actually, I mean, the omelette with it, you know, you just break it off like a naan bread and put your curry onto it, and it's absolutely out of this world. I'd thoroughly recommend cooking that one. You don't even need meat in it because it has that bit of a meaty taste about it. So it's absolutely fantastic. Do it. Cook that one.
There you go, recommend it.
Definite thumbs up.
All I will say on that one is that I'll put a link in the comments below. Yeah. What I have done, I've took that one off Slimming World, but it should have had coconut milk with it. But because we're doing the Easy SP, superfood and protein, I left out the coconut milk. So that's the only difference there. Yeah. But the difference in the quantity of the fluid whatever it was, I can't remember what it was in millilitres, I made up for with extra stock. Yeah. So if it was 75 millilitres of coconut milk, I added an extra 75 millilitres of stock. As simple as that. Just to make sure that we followed the EasySP 100%. Okay.
Yeah.
You all right with that?
Yeah, absolutely brilliant. And I think we're going to have for afters. Oh, I'll show you my clean plate again. I mean, I've nearly licked it clean, as you can see. So it is that good. But for afters, I'm going to do sliced melon, strawberries and blackberries, all superfoods again, super fast foods, and it's together with the absolutely gorgeous. They've run out of raspberries, otherwise I'd add raspberries as well. But again, lovely.
So all I'm going to say now is you need to say something.
Thumbs up, subscribe please, and comment below.
And don't forget, ring the bell. You don't miss any of our videos. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so this time it's good night guys. And we've got 2 more days to go. And we've done the challenge then. We'll see what the dreaded weigh-in's like. Oh my life. Throat lozenges for Greenie. Can't have them. Can't have them. It's not on the plan. What am I going to do? Cut me throat. Okay. See you again guys.